weeks ago, I had my regular blood panel. Boy, hindi maganda yung 3 weeks before. And may tama na yung lung ko from my autoimmune illness na Sturge-Strauss. What was alarming was that sobrang bumagsak yung hemoglobin ko. Hemoglobin kasi is very important dahil yun ang may dala ng oxygen dun sa ating mga red blood cells. I fell to below 9. It was the first time na nag-8.7 ako. In other words, kung nasa Pilipinas ako, binibigyan na sana ako ng blood transfusion. And because I have very low hemoglobin, I have fluctuating blood pressure. Hypertension pala hindi lang sa puso, pwede rin mangyari sa ating it's my right lung, boy. Nakita nila na meron na akong maliliit na nodules at tama, meron mga parang kung ito yung lungs ko, parang may mga scratch marks kang makikita, parang may mga sugat na dahil nga hirap na yung right lung dahil until now, part of Sturge-Strauss is that you have this persistent dry cough.
Kasi gaano kadelikado ito?
I could have a stroke at any time.